Hey, what up guys? Sometime Kev here, checking in Poppy's Kitchen today. We are making coconut shrimp from the fresh coconut from the Florida Keys, from the Atlantic side. Fresh coconut floating in the water. What do you know? Brought it back to me. Another jet skier friend, Chris, brought it to me while we were deep sea fishing. He found it in the ocean, and I brought it back to Middle Tennessee. We've already been on the island. We've cut it open. We've had beverages out of it. We drank all the milk. We are now to the good stuff, which is the inside of the coconut and getting the flesh. So I cut that out and I grated that up, and I butterflied some shrimp and I coated them with that and got them ready in the air fryer at 395 for about 7 minutes. It does not get any fresher or any better than that. No dip needed. I got them paired up with some fresh strawberries. A nice tropical drink. And it is late October. As a matter of fact, it's Halloween Day, and I have this also paired up with a pumpkin bel Botano cheese from Murray Cheese. That's delicious. And so fresh, so delicious. So thank you, Chris. Thank you, Atlantic Ocean, for blowing that coconut off the tree and floating it to Chris. And Chris, thank you for bringing that to me, because I enjoy it. I got to start this video out by prefacing, I am no coconut expert. And by that, I mean, I've never really had experience with fresh coconuts and taking the coconut out of them, getting them out of their shell. So this is what I've got left of the fresh coconut that I got in the Florida Keys that one of the riders, the jet ski riders, brought to me. He found it floating in the water, and so he brought it to me, and it was really green. And when I had to open it, I mean, it was hard to hack open. It took about 7-8 minutes, and this is hitting it hard, and then getting this outer shell off, and then you end up with the inner coconut shell. It's interesting how you don't see these type of coconut in the grocery store very often. You see the hard round one. This just this inner one, but the actual coconut's in this great big green one. It's like a big pod. So where we're at now, I have took it to the island, opened it up, had a beverage out of it, and now I've actually took another 5 to 10 minutes, and literally about 6 minutes to get this cracked open so I can dig down in here and get this coconut out. And I'm going to do a meal. I'm going to do coconut shrimp, but I have to dig down in here, and I've realized over time it starts kind of drying out, and then you can get your knife down in there, and it's not really stuck as hard as it was onto that to the shell. So I'm hoping I'm going to get it out of here and be able to grate it, because I need fresh coconut because I'm making coconut shrimp. And I've actually really been enjoying it, just eating it. I mean, it's delicious. That little brown part, now that's a little bit thick. I've been eating this, and I don't even feel it in my mouth. So I've got a pretty big chunk out. Let me see if that's going to grate up now. It's kind of what. Yeah, you've got to let this dry out a little bit. It's not coming out of there, but it's coming out pretty good now. peeled and deveined, thawed out. I'm going to butterfly these. Ah, looks pretty good. It's pretty low oil, it's almost. And we got this temperature set at 400. We're going to mark that down to about 385. It's hot in there. A little oil. It's just olive oil sprayed in. Probably I'm going to let these go for more than 7 or 8 minutes just because they'll dry out. I'm just going to lay them in there, spaced out so we're not touching. That's it. Got it crispy. The more crispy they get, the better the flavor comes out. So that is exactly how you want them to look. So I got set up over here for a really small lunch here. Not very much at all, but just enough. So this is going to be shrimp. Oh, they're hot. I was looking for my other board, but I couldn't really find one. There we go. This is a fresh strawberry, sweet pepper. This is pumpkin bella batano, and then of course the coconut shrimp for my fresh coconut. And I have decided to pair that with a tropical drink of my choice, and I'm going to enjoy this. So that's how it turned out. Sometimes you can get them a little less brown if you like. You got a bigger shrimp, and that is it. No dip needed. That's just coconut shrimp at its best. Paired that with some strawberry. Out of this world. Cheers. Sometime keep checking in. Checking out later.
Hey, thanks for watching to the end. For more content like this, check out my YouTube channel, Delicious Feel Good Foods and Recipes.